Vivlaser is based in Shenzhen, China, just minutes from Baoan Airport and the International Exhibition Center.
Our location connects us to the world.
Our mission is simple. We design and build excellent semiconductor lasers, available in multiple power levels, wavelengths, and beam shapes. Precise and reliable, ready for the future. Every breakthrough we make, every milestone we reach, stands as proof of our reliable commitment to customers worldwide. Our leadership team has over 20 years of experience in semiconductor lasers. Driven by innovation, we create solutions for industry, medical beauty, and scientific research. We offer 4 main product lines: reliable pump sources, kilowatt lasers, blue lasers, and medical laser modules. Our pump sources include multiple wavelength locked modules with stable, reliable performance. They are trusted by leading customers and see growing adoption every year. Kilowatt-class semiconductor lasers, delivering large, uniform spot output for efficient and stable laser heating in welding, cladding, and quenching applications. Blue semiconductor lasers, operating at 450 nanometers with output from 10 watt to 1 kilowatt, specifically designed for processing higher reflective materials. Medical and aesthetic laser series, multi-wavelength output for therapy, skincare, and hair removal. Compact and versatile, our core expertise spans thermal management, power, control, high efficiency, fiber coupling, wavelength locking, and beam homogenization, ensuring continuous industry leadership. With advanced facilities in Shenzhen and Taizhou, we run more than 10,000 square meters of production space. Each year, we deliver over 100,000 units. Strict quality control and ISO 9001 certification ensure stable, scalable, high-quality products worldwide. Vivlaser is dedicated to advancing the laser industry with sustainable laser solutions. By setting new benchmarks in laser manufacturing, we have already supplied semiconductor laser solutions to nearly 200 enterprises, delivering hundreds of thousands of units. Our products are widely deployed in high-end applications worldwide, powered by technological innovation, and guided by the values of integrity, dedication, quality, and efficiency. Vivlaser is committed to advancing semiconductor laser technology. We continuously empower global intelligent manufacturing, medical health, and scientific research, driving high quality and sustainable industry development. Technology leads the future, and light powers the world. Together with our partners, Vivlaser will continue to explore the infinite possibilities of light, harnessing the power of lasers to illuminate the future.